Hi, my name is Stacey Kulesza. I'm an associate professor and the director of the Create University Transportation Center. Today we have students that learned about railroads and railroad ballast, and then a little bit about mechanically stabilized earth walls. So they're actually building their own walls right now, model walls.
So basically we were given this project to basically construct a bridge like in real life, just like more miniature. The difficulty was actually pretty hard. You have to balance between, okay, I want the fabric to stay, I don't want it to leak, I don't want it to tear, with having the bridge, like having sufficient height, having enough soil within the layers. Because if you put too much, obviously you'll wear and tear, and so yeah, I think this project was really cool. It actually reflects like how you build bridges in real life, just on a smaller scale. So yeah, this is actually a really cool and fun project.
Hello everyone, my name is Xiaohua Luo. Everyone call me Nemo. I'm the camp director of this year's summer transportation camp. I think so far the camp goes through very well and everyone's enjoyed, and we got a lot of support from guest speakers, faculty members from TXST and the England School. Hopefully next year we can get more camp participants and we can have another success of the camp.